Smart rapper, gang.
What a smart rapper. This is gonna be a video that I think that everybody needs to see. Like anybody who's ever releasing anything on the internet, this is a really hard lesson learned. And this actually comes from one of my good friends. He has 1 million followers on Instagram. You can go check him out. He runs a meme page. He's Donnie.drama. Okay, and what he did is he we took the meme page. Actually, he came out here. He was out here for like a month with me out here, right? Just learning, like trying to help him with his rap stuff, get some stuff off the ground, right? And what he initially did though with his first single, this is a huge mistake he made, and I'm making this so that oh my god, I want to make sure you guys and girls don't never make this mistake, okay? Because this is a big problem, okay? His song, right, was doing extremely well. This motherfucker would be outside my fucking door right now. Bro, I was playing. This is what happened. His song got taken down. He got taken down off of Spotify, got taken down off of YouTube, right? And he was doing great too. I think he had like 20,000, 50,000 on YouTube. And he had like 100,000 or 200,000 on Spotify. And this was his first single. He put a lot of work into getting it done and, and promoting the shit out of it to his audience. Yes, he has 1 million followers, but also, when you're converting from meme page to music artist, it's hard to really convert those people. And he did a really good job converting those people. But here's the lesson I want to teach you guys. Now, you're probably wondering, why did it get taken down? Why did it get ripped off of Spotify and Apple Music? Very simple. Never do this. He took an image from Google Images, okay, of Medusa, okay, just random picture from Google Images, and used that image inside of the artwork for the single. That right there. The guy who owned the artwork got mad. He said, "You didn't pay for this. I own this image." Complained, reported it to YouTube. Video got taken down. Reported it to Spotify. Got ripped off of Spotify. This happened. Now, of course, the guy who reported him, I understand, he didn't give you credit, but he, at the same time, he probably didn't know it was your picture. It was a random picture he found on Google Images, right? But you're thinking like how I thought that like I could just take this picture. You can't, okay? Unless you get a license or you get a lease, you can't just take a picture off of Google Images and use it. Now, if you have a membership to a site that allows you to use images and stuff like that for your things, you can absolutely do that. But you can't just take a picture and use it on something that you're monetizing across different platforms, okay? This guy was very upset. He was very mad. He was like, "Rob, what can I do?" I was like, "Bro, you need to email this dude, say, yo, I'll give you some money for this. I didn't understand. My bad. I'm young. I didn't know that." Well, this guy apparently hates rappers. He's probably like a 45-year-old corny ass, photographer guy. I'm not going to apologize for that. No, because this guy's a fucking douchebag. When he emailed him and he said, "Hey, I give you some money. I'm sorry." He apologized. He was very nice. And the guy was like, "I want $3,000. And in my head, I'm thinking, this is a fucking picture of Medusa on that he found on Google Images. Bro, he should have to give you more than like $50. I mean, max $200. The guy asked for $3,000. Number one, this dude needs to shut the fuck up. Number two, this such a bitchy thing. But anyways, I wanted you guys to learn from this, okay? I don't want that to happen to you. This was his first single. He was building momentum with this, okay? He was doing really well, and he pushed it very hard. He worked his ass off. I don't want your work that you put into your single or whatever it is that you release next. I don't want you to take an image off of Google Images and this to happen to you, okay? Because here's what happened is that he started gaining awareness for it, and the guy saw it, okay? That's gonna happen. That's gonna happen to your song too. If you start building buzz around the record, the person who owns that picture is going to see it eventually, which is actually kind of a good thing. You're like, damn, it's getting so much momentum that the person who made the picture saw it, right? But don't let this happen to you. If you ever get artwork made or something like that, make sure that you have the rights to it. Okay, make sure you have permission. And if you're gonna take an image from Google Images, please get permission for it or offer money up front. Like, hey, can I lease this from you? Can I lease this from you for like $20, right? And they're probably gonna say, yeah, you know what? I appreciate you asking. The reason this guy was mad is that he didn't ask initially, but he didn't know any better. But the guy was like, I don't care, it doesn't matter. You shot somebody, but you didn't know you can't shoot people. You're still going to jail. You know what I'm saying? It's just kind of like, it was douchey of this guy to do that. But at the same time, he didn't have to say $3,000. This guy was just a fucking douche. And I'd name his name right now if I knew who he was, but I don't. So anyways, that's what an asshole move, man. Because now he has to restart. I don't want that happening to you guys, okay? All right, I'm gonna hit y'all with the word of the day. Today's word of the day is charlatan, okay? A charlatan is someone who pretends to have knowledge about something when they don't, in order to deceive people. So I think this would be a great word for this, is all those 12-year-olds who say that Biggie and Tupac are the best and they understand why. You know what I'm saying? I think, like, honestly, those are some charlatan ass motherfuckers. Because they don't really get it. Those are people that just are like, oh, it's popular. Oh, I believe it's popular. I'm gonna stand by that idea. Like, it's just an example. And you probably heard people say charlatan before. Anyways, I'm sorry, this was shot on my phone today because I had to let my business partner use my camera to shoot for having a photo shoot outside with somebody for one of the clothing brands we have a deal with. So, but yeah. You just became a smarter rapper. Please don't make that mistake, okay? Don't go to Google Images, actually get it made professionally or pay for the image, because that is something that could happen to you, and I don't want that to happen to you. He lost money for that. He lost time and energy on that, okay? All right, hit me with a like, hit me with a comment, and hit me with a subscribe. And when you hit subscribe, hit that little bell, because it's gonna notify you every time I'm releasing a video, so you can become a smarter rapper. And I'm releasing a video every single day. Ha ha! All right, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Keep hustling. And, you know, I mean, I hope this helped in some way, shape, or form. If this had happened to me, I'd have been furious. I was like furious for him, but I was like, man, there's nothing you could do, you know, and it's unfortunate, but, you know. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Keep hustling.
Smart rapper, gang.